Welcome in my tutorial. My name is Manmohan, and today I will let you know that what is command prompt and how you can use command prompt to operate your computer and how you can run your number of programs using command prompt. So how we will open it, let me tell you. Here we go. Can you see here the run box? We have to type here cmd and we have to click on OK, and it will open new command prompt in front of us, right? Then if let me tell you some specific commands you can run on it. If we will type ASSOC and we hit enter, it will tell us number of extensions, number of .exe, all kind of extension. Here it will show us, right? It will educate you about the extension we have in our computer system. Right, let me tell you. You can see here is VLC, like VLC program, VMware document dot VMAC, and you will see on the background of it number of files like VLC WMA file will be extension WMA, web file, word backup file is the .wbak. If we go in deep, so we can learn it as well. The extension like Excel extension is .xls. So this is the extension, and this is the command is ASSOC to know how many extensions we have in our system, and we can modify it. After that, we have new command is ATTRIB. Attribute will save all the things we have in this user. If we have welcome, what is our path? Our path is welcome, so it will goes to all attribute. It will show us all attribute it exists on it. Okay, and if we have to come back in users form, so we will type cd dot dot, will go back, cd dot dot will go back. If we have to come again, so we have to find how many directories are with command of dir. How many directories are here? Number of directories here. So we have to go in this one, users, this users. So we will say like this, we will go in users, then I will see dir again to know how many directories I have in it. I have number of directories here in my name. Like we have to go in the folder, they all are folders, all are directories here, like in a name of man. In man file, like we are in C users and man, how many files we have? We have nothing on it. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to make a new directory on it. So we have the command here mkdir, right, space. So we will let you that viewer youtube.com, okay, dir YouTube access is denied because this is not opened by administrator. So now I'm opening it in administrator. dir again, we'll do it same. We have mun cd.man, we are in mun, then we will do mkdir space youtube.com and make a folder like this. Now we are going in C drive like this. Click OK. We have here users, then one, and then youtube.com here, right? Now what we will do a real scenario here. If I have to make new folder here on this folder, and I'm using this command, so I will go in dir and I will see how many this is youtube.com one folder here. So I will go in youtube.com cd youtube.com, then I will hit enter, and I'm in the path of youtube.com. so I have to create here like any folder. If you want to like view VIEW, if I have to make a folder, make directory command mkdir space VIEW, then we are hitting enter, and you will see here the folder here again. You can see that here the view folder. Now we are going in different path like dir again, and we have to make a folder into cd. We have to change the drive change path. Now VIEW, we will go, we are in view. Now we have to open this view. Okay, we are in view, so we have to make like this mkdir new folder hai ye. So we did that. So this is the thing we do with the command prompt. Thank you for watching this video. I will in my next video I will tell you more about the command prompt, how more commands you can use on it, and you can learn it with my tutorial. Thank you. And in next video I will represent number of things to you, and I will tell you that how you can use your command prompt for the long purpose. Thank you.